Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of organic gardening with some easy and effective homemade pest control solutions. Let's get started. For a gentle yet effective solution, try this simple insect soap. In a 1-quart spray bottle, combine 3 drops of mild dishwashing liquid with a quart of water. For added effectiveness, add a tablespoon of cooking oil. Make sure to thoroughly coat the leaves of your affected plants, but avoid spraying directly on the blossoms. Next up, let's talk about garlic. Did you know that this pungent kitchen staple doubles as a potent pest repellent? To create this magic potion, start by peeling and crushing 5 garlic bulbs. Combine the crushed garlic with 16 ounces of water and let it steep overnight. In the morning, add a dash of dish soap to the mixture to help it adhere to the leaves. Finally, dilute this concentrated solution in a gallon of water and transfer it to a spray bottle. This next recipe is for the creative gardener. We're making a homemade tobacco spray. Tobacco contains nicotine, a natural insecticide. Use a 1/4 cup of tobacco leaves, tie in cheesecloth and soak overnight. Remove and discard the tobacco. Your spray is ready to use. Avoid using on tomatoes, peppers and eggplants. Epsom salt isn't just for soothing sore muscles, it's also a gardener's secret weapon. This versatile ingredient can help deter pests and even provide your plants with a boost of magnesium. To create an Epsom salt spray, simply dissolve 1 cup of Epsom salt in 5 gallons of water. Pour the solution into a spray bottle and apply it to any pest-affected plants. For a more direct approach, you can sprinkle Epsom salt granules around the base of your plants every week or so. Next up is a simple yet effective oil spray. Vegetable oil like canola or sunflower oil can be used to smother soft-bodied insects like aphids and mites. To make this spray, combine 1 cup of vegetable oil with a 1/4 cup of liquid soap in a jar or bottle. Shake the mixture vigorously to emulsify the oil and soap. When you're ready to treat your plants, dilute 1 tablespoon of the concentrate in 4 cups of water. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle and apply it to your plants. For best results, reapply the spray once a week or as needed. For those who like a little heat, this next recipe is for you. Hot peppers contain capsaicin, a natural insect repellent. Dry a handful of hot peppers, grind them into a fine powder. Sprinkle the powder around your plants to deter insects. Citrus fruits like lemons and oranges are refreshing treats for us and contain potent pest-repelling properties. To make citrus spray, grate the rind of 1 lemon. Boil a pint of water, then remove from heat. Add the rind and let it steep overnight. Strain the mixture to remove the rind, pour into a spray bottle and apply to plants. Target insects directly for best results. Rubbing alcohol is another versatile household item that can come in handy for pest control in the garden. Its high alcohol content makes it an effective insecticide against soft-bodied insects like aphids, mealybugs and spider mites. The best way to apply rubbing alcohol is by dabbing a cotton swab soaked in alcohol directly on the pests. For plants with waxy leaves, you can try a dilute alcohol spray. Mix 1 cup of rubbing alcohol with a quart of water in a spray bottle. This last recipe may sound unconventional, but trust me, collect a small number of pests bothering your plants. Aim for at least a teaspoonful. Crush them thoroughly using a spoon or mortar and pestle. Place the mashed insects in cheesecloth and tie it securely. Submerge in 2 cups of water and let it steep overnight. This creates a concentrated solution to deter pests. Use the bug juice spray within 3 days. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. I hope these homemade pest control solutions help you create a garden that's not only beautiful, but also healthy and thriving. Happy gardening, everyone.